Oh, the wind last night. Shocking. Oh, let's talk about it. So I've woken up 3 or 4 times last night. Just the tent basically blowing away to this wind that you can hear in the background. It's actually calmed down a little bit from last night, but I had to get out with the hammer in some more pegs because I thought it was going to blow over. I got out and double checked to make sure there wasn't any big trees that could fall on the tent. Because as you know, I rocked up to this little campsite pretty much very late in the afternoon, and I just wanted to get camping out of the way for this day. Now, of course, the wind is pretty much blowing everything around, so I'm going to go around and clean it all up, get some breakfast on, and then I'm going to get straight into packing up and getting down to our next destination. Alright, on my way back up the coast, I decided to pull in quickly at the Videla Cheese and Dairy Factory. Now I'm going to grab something quickly that I'm going to have at camp, a couple of cheeses that I really like. So if you guys are travelling up and down the coast of New South Wales, I would suggest stopping in Videla if you can, because they do have really good food as well. Alright, let's continue. Alright guys, part 2, here we are, down for Fire Trail. Now I've chosen this track because it's meant to be a little bit easier. That's what I've seen in the past of forums as well as other videos on it. I wanted to give it a go for myself. It's just off the Kings Highway, just northwest of Batemans Bay. So if you're looking to hit this one yourself, let's have a look together and see if it's any good. Guys, as you come along down for Fire Trail, it's quite easy, quite smooth. Now, I've come up to what looks like a bit of a steep section. It's pretty flat, it's pretty solid, no issues. However, I think today it might be a good idea to lower those tire pressures because I don't know what else might be lurking up there. All right, so I don't actually mention this enough, I don't feel, that letting your tire pressures down the proper way, using a proper dedicated tire deflator, I feel is the best way. So, you know, you put it up there. I'm going to put a link in the description to my how to use this because I just want to get this done because I don't want the day to get away and who knows what exciting stuff we're going to find. So basically, I'm just going to show you this one quickly using the middle bit, bottom here, twist it all the way off till you feel a click, skip at the end, and then you'll see the pressure. And of course, because of the highway and how hot the tyres have got, they're over 50 at the moment. But we want, let's get down to maybe 28. Constantly clicking. There we are, 29 will do. And we just put it back. It's a reverse procedure right now, reverse procedure. And we just undo it. It's pretty quick. Lets a lot of air out fast. That's why I reckon it's a great thing. And don't forget, the dust cover. You don't want to get dust in that valve. Alright guys, I've been travelling along the old Downfall Fire Trail for a bit now. It seems like they've done a lot of clearing, like an excavator or something's come through here. And unfortunately it doesn't seem to be too interesting. Not compared to some of the other stuff I've seen. Now, based on the time, I've got to find a camp. I've looked along the fire trail so far, nothing is sticking out to me. Unfortunately last night I camped on top of a hill, sort of like this, where I am now. And the wind was just battering all night, so I don't want to repeat that today. So I'm going to go find something, hopefully not too far from where I am, and I'll talk to you a little bit more when I get to camp.